Hi, I'm Principal Messler. Today we are unveiling our book vending machine. We have 23 students that have participated in our Winter Olympics Reading Challenge. These students read books over the winter recess that they took out from our libraries or books that they had at home. And for completing that challenge, they will receive a token to our very special vending machine. We are getting ready to call the students down right now.
You guys excited?
Yeah!
Do you think it's going to be cool?
Yeah!
Okay, so we are going to have our 5th graders do the pleasure of cutting the ribbon. Ms. Solomar, will you do us the honor? Okay, and we're going to put it like a present. On your mark, set, Does anybody want one of those cool books? Yeah.
0, 2, 1.
There's so many great ones. Ooh, very nice.